Daily markup for EURUSD for Wednesday, the 22nd of November 2023. This is the daily chart. We are currently, as far as the swing structure is concerned, we are bearish. We've had a break of structure here, and after that we can expect a pullback. The pullback has happened. It's well on its way, and we are now in the premium of this this leg, so we can start looking for shorts. Now, as I explained, this is a high probable zone, supply zone, because this actually flipped another zone. It has, it swept some liquidity. It also has all this nice inducement. So if price pulls up to this zone, I would be very much interested in shorting from here and probably target this week swing low. Why? Because the current swing structure is bearish. So yeah, that's what we will be looking at. However, the price still hasn't kind of moved into this. There could be an argument that we could probably, extend this up to here, maybe this. Then we can say that, okay, it's kind of tapped into this. But let's just wait and see what really happens. So this is as far as the daily is concerned. So internally, we are still bullish. But we can expect the pullback, the continuation of the leg to happen any minute now, because we are in the premium. We are in a region which is a very high probable region as far as, taking shorts are concerned. This is a nice supply zone. I'm going to go back to where we were, and let's just see if price really pulls up here. Also, we can see that, this was also considered to be a strong supply zone, but we've not respected it. We kind of swept it, and maybe another push up, and then we kind of come down, or perhaps this itself is the sweep of the supply zone, and we can now start looking for shorts. Moving on to the H4, I had marked it over here, but now I've changed my market structure to mark it over here to give it a little more context. So the 4-hour is still bullish for me. We've had a break of structure. After the break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen. But like I said, I'm very mindful of the fact that we are now close to this daily zone on top. And probably we can expect like a strong reaction from here, and maybe we pull up one more time and a little further into this zone, which also has a nested 4-hour zone over here, which is coming from somewhere here. Yeah. So let's see how price pulls up, but the H4 is still bullish for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We have a demand zone here, so maybe price pulls down into this and then we go up further. Moving on to the M15, this is what it looks like. So the M15 is bearish. Why? To facilitate the pullback of this H4 leg, and that's where we are. Yesterday there was this very nice trading opportunity here from this zone, which I did not take, but yeah, that's where we are. So we've had a break of structure. The M15 swing structure is now bearish for me. We can expect a pullback to happen. Now again, this zone is a very high probable zone for me. Why? Because there was this demand zone, price came in here, we reacted, and then we flipped this zone. So that's high probability for me. It does not have too much of inducement in front of it. I'm now in the M5 plus. It did not really sweep any liquidity, but it definitely flipped a demand zone, which was a strong demand zone, because it had a lot of inducement in front of it. So price did come in here, we reacted, and then we went right through it. So this is a strong supply zone. So in case price pulls up to here, I would be very much interested in looking for shorts. But as I look at it, I really have my doubts whether price is really going to come up all the way here. Although we do have these, fair value gaps and all of that juicy stuff to attract price. So let's see once London opens, which will in another about 45 minutes from now. May the markets be with you. Happy trading.